Greetings, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. And in my previous videos, we have discussed general syntax, decision control, and loop control. And in this present lecture, we will be discussing very important statements, break statement, and continue statement, which have very important role in programming. Like first of all, we will discuss break statement. So, as the dictionary meaning of break means to stop something. So, same thing it will perform for us in C language. When this statement is encountered, our loop will stop and control will go out of the loop. How it happens? Let us see. So, we have first line and then we have the body of main. So let us choose variables a and b, and let us apply nesting of loops here. So this will also cover another topic, nesting of loops, for in which we have outer loop as well as inner loop. Let me write a is equal to 1, a less than equals to 3, then again semicolon, a plus plus, or I just write the a is equal to a plus 1, and then we have inner loop, for which may be written inside braces again, for b is equal to 1, b less than equals to 3, b is equal to b plus 1, and let us print the sum of these numbers, and within the quotes, then we have a semicolon here. We start with the tab, then we write a is equal to %d, then a tab, b is equal to %d, and a tab, sum is equal to %d, and every output will be printed in the next line. Then single comma, first we want to print a, then b, then sum of a plus b. So let us see what will be the output of this nesting. Let me tell you how this performs. First, the value will come from the outer loop, a is equal to 1. Then all the values of b will be executed. Like we will come with a1, then for a1 we have b1, 2 and 3. Then it again goes to the outer loop. Now a is 2, again b is 1, 2 and 3. So this is how it runs. Let me save this and compile, execute. So this is how it performs. First a1 and b1, 2, 3. Then a2, b1, 2, 3, a3. Now what we want to learn here is actually we want to add a break and continue statement to this program. For that, let us add a body of this for loop by adding braces, because now we have more statements inside this for. Let me write if a is equal to b, break. You see what will happen now. As I already told you, what break will do. Break will take us out of this loop. Whenever this is true, we will be out of this loop. Like when we come from here, a is 1 and b is 1, they are equal. We will be out of this inner loop. Now a is 2 B is 1, not equal, sum will be printed. Then again A is 2, B is 2, this is true, we will be out of this loop. Then A is 3, B is 1, output will be printed. A3, B2, output will be printed. When both are same, again this is not printed. Let me save this, compile and execute. So you can see the execution, and output is on your screen. Only three outputs will be there: A2 B1, A3 B1, A3 B2. Because for others we have exited from the loop. Okay. Okay. What will happen if we change this to not equal? A not equal to B, break. A not equal to B, break. Can you imagine what type of output will be there? You see, the first values are A1, B1. That means this is not true. Output will be printed. Sum will be 2. Now B becomes 2, A1, B2. So this is true. Break will encounter. It will take out of this. Then A2, B1. Again, this is true. Nothing will be printed. Then A3, B1. Again, break will encounter. So let me compile and execute. The output is on your screen as you see. The only output is for A1, B1 and sum is 2. Okay. So okay, let us change this program to continue. Okay, let us replace this with continue. Now, what is the difference in the output now? Now, instead of exiting the loop, what continue will do, it just bypass the next statement and take us to the uh, incrementation and testing part. Like here, when A is 1, B is 1. So this will fail, and output will be printed. But when A is 1, B is 2, this is true. To continue, we do not get output, but we will remain in this loop. We cannot go out of this, but only this statement will be skipped. And then we have A1, B3. Again, it will continue. Now A2, B1, again bypass, no output. The only output will come for A1, B1, A2, B2, and A3, B3. Let us save this and compile and let me execute. So you see the output: A1, B1, sum 2, A2, B2, sum 4, A3, B3, sum 6. And if I write comparison operator here, comparison operator here, I think now it will perform just opposite to the previous thing, that the equal values are bypassed and the sum for unequal values will be printed. Let us see. Let me save this and compile and execute. So as you see on your screen, so the output is for unequal values of A and B will be displayed. So I hope you got some idea how break and continue statements work.